Welcome to the channel where we break down the keys to success in renewable energy projects. Today we will explore how energy arbitrage can transform your PV plus BESS projects and maximize your revenues. This image shows the energy arbitrage cycle, which begins by storing energy at times of low demand and releasing it during peak hours, taking advantage of price variability in the spot market. Energy arbitrage is the essence of PV plus BESS systems, allowing you to dynamically adjust the injection of electricity to capture higher prices and increase profitability. Here we look at the pros and cons of the spot market. Among the benefits, its high liquidity and the possibility of adjusting dynamic strategies stand out. But there are also challenges such as price volatility and the need for constant monitoring, as mentioned in the video. The spot market offers incredible opportunities thanks to its price variability. However, it requires proactive management to mitigate the risks associated with rate fluctuations. This clear understanding of the pros and cons will help you make informed decisions and ensure a stable return on your projects. The following image highlights three main strategies: intraday arbitrage, weekly arbitrage, and the combination of PPAs with arbitrage. Each has its ideal timing depending on market conditions. Intraday arbitrage is perfect for markets with significant differences between off-peak and peak hours. On the other hand, weekly arbitrage takes advantage of seasonal fluctuations in renewable production. For example, in markets with high solar generation on weekends, you can store energy and release it during weekdays, maximizing ROI. The key advantages of arbitrage are summarized here: improved profitability, operational flexibility, and reduced risk of price volatility. Storage systems allow control over when to sell energy, maximizing revenues and mitigating risks. This makes PV plus BESS projects flexible and cost-effective tools. This approach not only increases revenues, but also allows for better integration of renewables into the electricity system. Finally, this picture details the main challenges, such as the initial cost of BESS systems, market variability, and regulatory requirements. Although implementation costs are significant, arbitrage can offset these investments in the long run. However, it requires constant analysis and strict regulatory compliance. These challenges are not insurmountable barriers. With proper planning and strategic use of available tools, they can be effectively overcome. Today we have explored the energy arbitrage cycle, the spot market, key strategies, advantages, and challenges. This knowledge is essential to maximize the potential of your PV plus BESS projects. If you need help designing and implementing PPA strategies for your PV plus BESS projects, contact me on LinkedIn. Let's transform the energy future together. If you are ready to transform your projects, subscribe to the channel and share this content with other renewable energy stakeholders. Together we can drive change towards a more sustainable energy future.